Oi, Pegela! Iya Kongot imbongo kono bamba kono lije. 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 Iya Kongot. Oi, Pegela!
Sambole nyoka lihlabela imzonda bahlala behlile bahlomeka bahlekisa thina onhliziyo zibuhlungu bahleka ngaphakathi inhliziyo zakhala anganibone bahliphisa thina siyakhala lalela leligama silithenga angasalisebenza.
Good day everyone, this is MOUNTAIN-MKHAMBATHI, the director of Indlondlo ZULU-Dancers from Table MOUNTAIN-MKHAMBATHI in Ketorich. Behind me is just a lovely view of one of the creatures we have around the Valley of Thousand Hills. We've got the Neckley Dam, as you can see behind me is lovely, and we're at the top of the mountain this midday, and we would like to share our great hills and mountains. Behind me we've got Iskalamu, and also we've got Imposane, which is lovely. It's nice to be at the top here. You can see most of great places like Pietermaritzburg. You can see the likes of Ketorich. You can see the likes of Hillcrest. There's a lot that you can experience when you are at the top of the Table Mountain called MKHAMBATHI. Thank you so much. You are welcome to come and experience our tourism here. Thank you. Welcome back everyone. We're still on top of the Table Mountain, and it's a very lovely place. As you can see, most of the part of the mountain is only grass that is growing on top of this mountain, and it's quite a very long mountain we have in the Valley of Thousand Hills. As you can see down there, we have some kind of like a sign of patches that maybe have been developed during the time when we had heavy rains. We've got some few trees that are growing, which is quite strange because some of the parts here there's nothing that is growing except the grass and small trees. It's quite a lovely place, and since we've been here it's about an hour now, and we're still enjoying to be on top of the Table Mountain, and we're still gonna go to another side of the mountain, which I think we're gonna take about nearly 30 minutes to get there, because it's quite it's lovely to be here. We welcome everyone to come maybe and experience, the view and the nature that we are experiencing on top of the mountain. Thank you.
Iya Kongot imbongo kono bamba kono lije. 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 Iya Kongot. Oh, Pegela.
We have almost 4 hours now on top of the Table Mountain. Here is a nice water catchment here, spring water. It's very fresh and nice. As you can see, this water is rolling down and make a nice waterfall behind me, and it's falling on the side of Inganyezini, where the community are feeding themselves from this spring water. This is really fresh. It's nice. It's lovely. You guys can come and experience the Valley of Thousand Hill, Table Mountain, MKHAMBATHI. It's lovely. Indlondlo Zulu dancers is here. That's why we are very strong, because we're drinking natural water. Thank you so much. Once again, it's Indlondlo team, still enjoying ourselves on top of the mountain, MKHAMBATHI. It's lovely to be here. As you can see, I'm not wearing anything. The weather is cool. I believe it's because the mountain is at the top. You know, it's nice to be here. You know, if the weather in Pietermaritzburg, it's warm and humid, I mean, it's lovely to come on top because the weather is almost the same. So there's nothing strange here except that we're experiencing the views, great views of our Valley of Thousand Hills. As you can see behind me, we've got another mountain called Indlondlo, and down below here we've got Umsunduze River, where the Duzi Marathon used to race every year. And we've got Nkanyezini, we've got Kwakimba there, as you can see, and also we can see the Kettle Ridge. You can see the great view of our mountain. Thank you so much. If you want to come and visit us here, you are more than welcome. Indlondlo Zulu Dancers team is here to entertain you. Enjoy.
Ungathi indlondlo nobaba mfana uyanganisa izizi uhlanganisa izinto ezimbi ungihamba uphosana kwaqimba bayasazi kwanyavu bayasazi sindlondlo thina ungathi indlondlo nobaba mfana uyanganisa izizi uhlanganisa izinto ezimbi ungihamba uphosana kwaqimba bayasazi kwanyavu bayasazi sindlondlo thina.
Oi, Pegela! Iyakhonkotha imbongo konobamba konolitshe. Iyakhonkotha imbongo konobamba konolitshe. Iyakhonkotha imbongo konobamba konolitshe. Iyakhonkotha imbongo konobamba konolitshe. Iyakhonkotha. Oh, Pegela!
Ekhanda thambo lenyoka lihlabela imzonda bahlala behlinile bahlomeka bahlekisa thina onhliziyo zibhlungu bahleka ngaphakathi inhliziyo zakhala anganibone bahliphisa thina siyakhala lalela leligama silithenga angasalisebenzela kanje sasiphuzuka sekudala sishizila lentame yensizwa hayi lesesikhule ngochizila ukubekezela kuzala impumelelo sekwabanini besibeka amabala bakhafula babhekise ngakithi bezisondela ubala besidelela bethi siqhuba intwala ngewisa bezama ukusilwisa besilwisa abantu besithuka besisimoshela isikhathi sethu kodwa sabashaya indiva saqhubeka nento yethu bakwethu ukuzonda indlondlo kuyafana nokubona umfana emithi uma ngena indlondlo kukhala abantu bajabula basithandayo bethi izitha ziyajabha indlondlo utalakho into angeke uyibambe hayi ngoba sithanda ukuwa kodwa sokwenzela into yamehlo indlondlo enophapha ekhanda thumalena phansi komkhambathi shaya ingoma kusho uthuli kudabuka inhlabathi sazoqhubeka nokujabulisa abantu sihamba amazwe senzela ukuthi nabangakezwa ngathi bazwe phela yitho jikelele yitho makhonya ngeke nilungela kithi omelana nathi akakazalwa asenze kakhubala ukubambisana enhlonipho nokubekezela uma ungenze njalo nawe izinto zakho zohamba ngendlela indlondlo enophapha ekhanda.
Izintombi nanezinsizwa, phumela ningaphandle.
kono DJ. Iyakhonkotha, iyakhonkotha imbongo kono bamba kono DJ. Iyakhonkotha, iyakhonkotha, iyakhonkotha imbongo kono bamba kono DJ. Iyakhonkotha, iyakhonkotha imbongo kono bamba kono DJ. Iyakhonkotha. Oh, bheke.